Hi, everybody. It's Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So today I want to talk about authenticity. And the first question that comes up is, what exactly is authenticity? So I looked up a definition, of course, my best friend Google, and the definition that I came upon was not false or copied, genuine, and real. So a lot of times when lawyers are putting themselves out there, the first thing that comes to mind is, do I want to be as real as I really am? Meaning, do I want to be 100% who I am in my day-to-day experience when I'm presenting myself to the world? And the answer is absolutely not, right? So you want to be real, but you don't want to be too real. Like, for instance, I grew up in Pensacola, Florida, right on the Gulf Coast of Mexico in a sailor town. So I curse like a sailor. There are very few people that will encounter me that don't hear me using profanity. But I know that I have clients that are very religious and they are jarred when I use profanity. Now, they choose to work with me anyway because they recognize that I can help them. But if I had come out of the gate with the first thing that they encountered of me using a lot of profanity, they probably would have been so turned off by my message that they wouldn't have heard me. There are other components of your realness, your authenticity, that you definitely do not want to suppress and do not want to hold back under any circumstances. And these are things that really tie to your values. So if you are somebody that truly and firmly believes in a way of doing things, you don't want to be benign or wishy-washy about talking about those aspects of who you are, because that is what is going to attract people to you. So what I mean by that is, if you are somebody as a family law attorney who firmly believes that parents should be sharing parenting time equally, you really don't want to come out saying, you know, my goal is to help keep the status quo and keep one parent as the primary parent and the other parent as the alternate parent. Or if you're a criminal defense attorney and you really only want to go after those high net worth cases, those really intense felony charge murder cases where you're going to get a lot of publicity, you don't want to say we represent any and all people accused of any and all crimes, because that's going to draw to you the wrong person. Now you might say, how does that really connect with authenticity, right? That really is more about marketing and strategy for niching. But the reason why it deals with authenticity is that when you are putting out a message to the world about who you are, you have to be clear on who you are when you are talking to other people. So one of the things that I'm real big on is my minions, right? I have little minions in my office, and people know which minion is up that tells them how they should interact with me. Sometimes you get this minion, and that means leave me the F alone. And other times you get this minion, which means I'm in a pretty good mood. So most of the time I have this guy up, and they are a part of who I am. No one encounters me that doesn't know about the minions, okay? That's about being your authentic self. So I highly promote the idea of being your authentic self. If you have more questions about how to do that in both the ways of marketing as well as how you show up in your business, Law Firm Mentor can help you do that. I'm gonna drop a link in the comments so that we can connect. Everyone, have a wonderful day.